Well, hi folks. As you can see, I've got a problem on my hands. Started a night or two ago. My outside dusk to dawn LED light started flashing like this. So I'm guessing that it's the photocell has become defective. There's nothing else up there that would, like a residual light that would cause it to turn off. I tried disconnecting the circuit, pulling the fuse to try to reset it. I tried that a couple times and it still does this. So I'm thinking that that's what it must be, is the photocell's defective. Unfortunately, this unit that I have doesn't have one of those external modular photocells that you can just replace when they go bad like the older ones used to. This is part of the housing of the light, so it's not really practical to try to replace it. This was a 40 watt, I think 5,000 lumen dusk to dawn LED light, and it's actually 10 years old already, so I'm thinking I got what life I'm going to get out of it. So I have another one ordered. The rest of this video will be me installing the new one, and you can see the difference that it will make. Hopefully it'll work. Alright, we'll come back to you when we're ready to do that. So here's the light that I'm going to replace the flickering one with. I got this from Amazon a couple days ago now, an LED, different style, as you can see here. It is 80 watts, which is double the wattage output from the one that's up there. It's also supposed to be, I think, 10 or 12,000 lumens, which is more than double what's up there, so I should have a much brighter light. It's a different style, of course. Out of there. Try to do this one hand, it doesn't always work. There we go. Different style, of course. Hopefully it'll give me the same amount of coverage, not just light but also the expanse of what I need. It's up high enough, it should do that. It came with this bracket in place like that. I would keep that on if I was going to mount it directly to the barn wall, and you'd put the bolts in here, where you'd attach it. But since I'm going to be putting it on the pipe that's sticking out, the 90-degree pipe that's coming out a couple feet from the wall, they also give you this clamp that so that should clamp over the pipe, and then I can make my connections and tuck them inside the pipe. Hopefully that'll work and it'll be good and tight. These are Allen wrench bolts, and they give you the Allen wrench with it, so hopefully that'll be relatively easy to install. The biggest problem is getting up with two ladders up to the roof that far, so I will come back to you when I'm going to do that. Okay, well, here I am up on the roof. I just, if I don't fall down, I just pulled the old light off. A few bees in there, but it's cool enough tonight, they're not bothering me. So I just have to go back up my ladder there and attach the new one, and hopefully we'll be good to go. I'll come back to you when that's done. I'm not going to try to film it while I'm up the ladder. All right. Well folks, there we go, the new light. It's definitely brighter than the old one. I don't know what the range is. It looks like I got pretty good coverage here. It's not quite dark yet. I'll have to look at it when it's really dark, but I think we got a successful mission. Survived another trip to the roof. I don't think I'll be doing this again in 10 years if this one holds out as long as the last one, but at least I got this one changed. So I thank you so much for watching, for liking, subscribing, for supporting our channel as we seek to live out in the country and do it on a shoestring.